99.3thedrive.com.
And Wendy, as promised this morning, Dan O'Toole is on the line from TSN. You are in Toronto, Dan?
I'm on a bus driving to Bathurst, New Brunswick. We're on the craft celebration tour. We just left Nova Scotia, so us and the crew packed up, and now we're headed to our next stop.
You're on the big cruiser, right? You're going to be in Prince George coming up for the Y's third annual championship hockey weekend, September 8th. And explain your duties. What are you? You're bringing your buddy with you, aren't you, Ray Onrait?
Yeah, Onrait, Tall McGee. He's coming with me. We're coming up there, and we are ready to have a great time and see Prince George. We've never been there.
Yeah.
So we're very excited. What we're going to be doing is figuring out how to actually host an event with each other. It turns into a lot of mayhem. a lot of strange things happen. We read tweets on the stage. We sing and dance, and there may or may not be Jay in a Speedo involved.
Oh, please, no. Jay's not in a Speedo.
The crazier, the better, Dan.
Yeah,
That's what Prince George wants to see.
You can bring the bat, you can bring the chips in the suit, but no Speedos, please.
He's going to be very upset when I tell him this.
Is he going to lose it?
Well, hopefully he doesn't lose the Speedo, because we don't want to see what's under that.
We got it's going to be a lot of fun, and you were recently at the Olympics. I was talking to Alan Bristow, and you had a bit of a problem there. Can you explain what happened?
Well, here's the problem. I got added to the Olympics on Friday. The Olympics started on Saturday. So I found out on Friday. I was on a plane Friday night, and I was on air in London on Saturday afternoon. So it was a quick turnaround. And the thing with the Olympics, if you're going, you need to get accreditation about 3 months to 6 months prior. So I had zero accreditation. Our English intern, Charlotte, she was fully accredited. She went to every single event while I sat and guarded her bike.
So you just had to charm your way in eventually, right?
Well, you know what? I got to see a lot of BBC coverage.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, speaking of Olympics, Sammy Jo Small, 3-time Olympic medalist and 5-time world champion hockey player on Canada's women's hockey team, headed to Prince George for part of this Y Championships hockey weekend. Exciting stuff.
Everyone's going to be there. And what was it? Trevor Linden was there last year?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Got big shoes to fill, my friend.
The bar's been set too high, and now he's selling, like, glasses and contacts on TV, so we can't top that.
Dan, if you want to get a good feel for Prince George, you've got to talk to your coworker, Nabil Karim. Used to work at our station.
He may be the nicest human on earth.
Yeah. You haven't pranked him at all, have you?
No, but he is trying to get used to our... The way we do things, and I think he just watched from the exterior and then goes home and says, how did I get myself involved in this?
Golly, is there an opening back in Prince George? Well, we're looking forward to having you and Jay with us, and we want to plug this as well. More players are needed to sign up for the 3-on-3 hockey tournament, so bring the bill with you, and maybe you guys can put a team together.
Three Stooges.
I'm coaching in that.
Are you? Well, you might have to play, buddy, if you need more teams.
If you bring the bill, it can be a takeoff on the Three Stooges, right? You can do
well, no, I want
stage.
the bill on my team because I want some grit, and the bill can bring some grit.
Yeah.
So if I'm your
can.
coach, we play a lot of dump and chase and a lot of sticks to the teeth.
Sticks to the teeth. Good stuff. Well, we look forward to you and Jay and the big festivities that are coming up. And it's the 3rd annual Y Championship hockey weekend, and it's coming up on September 8th. And we look forward to seeing you guys out there doing your shtick on stage, all right?
We literally can't wait. And for everyone who's going to be in attendance, there's going to be a very big surprise video that you're going to like.
Okay.
Be safe on that bus, Dan.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Dan. Dan O'Toole and Jay Onrait. We're going to be joining us coming up on September 8th for the 3rd annual Y Championships Hockey Weekend. Steve Miller in Swingtown, a Classic Hits 99.3 The Drive. It's 8:10.